Hey guys, welcome back to Hely Handmade. Today we are doing another Papergang unboxing. Yeah! So I've got my Papergang box. Obviously excited. We know I'm addicted to stationery and we're going to continue every month hopefully with this. So yeah, this is the November box that I've got for today. Ooh! Even has a little discount code. Like, I'm not affiliated and I'm not being sponsored. As much as I would love it at some point, people, Papergang, you know, you can sponsor me. But yes, there is a 10% off code if anyone wants to use it, and it's PG Xmas for, I'm assuming, the Christmas box. So that's the only one I'm not looking forward to, but stationery makes it better, so all's good. So today, as you can obviously tell, we are going to unbox these. Should we get on with it? I think so. Hold on, wasn't there a thingy last time? Like to pull it? There is not this time. Oh, no, there is. We have more tissue paper. I'm saving all that tissue paper because I'm going to make some black roses soon. Because they're just going to be so nice. So, look, what have we got in the tissue paper? That is what I'm looking for. Right, so we've got a little booklet again telling us what's inside, so it'll tell us as well about the artist that's done that, so I'll have a look at that at the end. Alright, first item. Oh, this beautiful little, I think, notebook, is it? Let's have a look. Yeah. Oh, little notebook. That's cute. With a little fox and the moon and the flowers. I love a good forest theme and a little cabin house. Oh, that's pretty. So it's like it's black and gold, so you can see on there. But that's pretty. That can go in my pile of notebooks. I used them quite quickly. The last one I'm using for my wedding dress, because there will be a video, but as I said, won't be till next year. Did I say that? Oh well. So next we've got a pack of little envelopes and cards. Oh, they say the horrible word of Christmas. I'm not going to use these for Christmas. I might do. I might. We'll see. See how Christmassy. Oh, I see, yeah. So it says merry and bright on the foxes. The foxes are so cute. Alright. And then we've got a robin that says season... Oh, can we... It says season's greetings on it. So yes, these are probably going to be used for Christmas. And then the last one with a gorgeous little deer. If it didn't have the writing on it, I could use these for any time of year, but that one says happy holidays. But they are beautifully illustrated. I have a thing for badges, and currently all my badges are in my jewellery box because I haven't had anywhere to put them on. But this, it's a little gold and white with, little gold, white and black fox. It's just beautiful. It's a beautiful little pin. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, you're going to be added to my collection. Most of the ones I've got are all ones related to when I was a carer. So I've got like my Macmillan, my dementia friends, all of them. So it's going to be nice having some others. I have a lot though. I do have a lot. Next up. So I've got another month card illustrated, which is going to look nice because I've got the other one on the wall. I'll see if I can show you a bit later, but I'm trying to put them up and then I can mark them for whenever and whatever I want to do with them. That's the whole point of stationery, isn't it? I am looking shiny. I did just put setting spray on, but I'm looking shiny. And look, eyeliner's sort of not getting better, but we're going to keep practicing. We have a shopping list notepad, and I hope it's coming up. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I always want a good shopping list. That's fine, we're always looking for one, so it's going to be helpful. I use it though for my stuff. Maybe some food. We'll see. We'll see. That's not it, is it? Oh, there's more. There's more. Right, we're finished with the tissue paper. Pasta? No. What are you? Ah, it's wrapping paper. Oh, that's just cute. I don't know what you're gonna wrap, but I'm sure I'll wrap you in something. Artwork by Papio Press. Aww, that's cute. So that looks like everything except for a discount code for pasta in here. Oh, I'm quite happy. Oh, that's really nice. So that's everything from October's box. That's a really cute little box. It's a shame it's you know, designed towards Christmas. However, the illustrations are beautiful on it, and all of it's going to be useful for me, so there's a bonus. And the badge is going to have to go in my jewellery box soon until I can find a place to display them all. I don't know where or when that's going to be, but we'll find a place. We will find it. So yeah, that's everything. I really enjoyed that. That was cute. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. It mean everything to me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.